Alrighty guys, so this video is going to be a 5.0 versus a 3-valve. I'm really curious to see what you guys think, which engine sounds better. So in this video, I have the same exact exhaust system that I had on both cars, the 3-valve and the 5.0, which is long tube headers, off-road X-pipe, and Corsa Extremes out the back. So yeah, I have the same exact exhaust. I tried to make the videos somewhat similar as far as sound, so you can get like a pure sound. Like I try to get the accelerations the same, flybys, everything set like moving in the same direction. That way you can get a good comparison on both engines. Let's start with it's going to be idling, then revving, then accelerations, then flybys, then downshifts. So it's going to be in that order some way. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so as you guys can hear, they both sound really good. You cannot beat the idle of a 3-valve cam though. It sounds way too good in my opinion. But let me know what you guys think down below. Which exhaust sounds better, the 3-valve or Coyote? For me personally, I think at idle, 3-valve wins. Wide open throttle, Coyote. Driving, Coyote. The downshifts, I'd have to give it to the Coyote. I'm kind of like the high pitch, like I like the loudness of the Coyote, so I like the Coyote exhaust in my opinion. I would love to hear, I'm so curious to hear what you guys, which one sounds better in your guys' opinion. This is a great comparison because it's the same exact exhaust and everything, so it's just all about engine at this point. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash the like button, and if you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, if you guys are brand new, make sure to hit the button. And thank you guys so much for watching, and like always guys, have a great day. Peace.